Hi Sarav, this is Tom McCoubry with Mercedes-Benz Scarborough. I want to put a quick video tour together for you on this 2022 GLE 350 that you are interested in. We're going to take a quick walk around the exterior, and then as I'm doing that I will show you the interior as well and touch on some of the options and features. So right up first is the color. It is lunar blue on macchiato beige. It has the brown wood trim, which we will take a look at in just a second. We've got the 19-inch wheels with all seasons. We do have illuminated running boards. As we come in, you'll see the beige interior with that brown wood trim. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, big pano roof, as you just saw. Premium package, Burmester sound. You see the dual digital displays there. The right one is all touchscreen. We do have CarPlay and Android Auto here in standard. Go to the rear of the vehicle, you'll see the wood as well as the beige flows through to the rear seats. You do have the Burmester sound back there as well, and the ambient lighting bars on both the doors back there. And then we'll come to the back. Have the power lift gate, plenty of storage. These seats do fold down if you do want them to, with these little handles right here. You can fold them flat if you do need more storage. We've got all weather mats as well as our carpet mats back here. Have yet to be unpackaged. We've got a little bit more storage as well as a spare tire. Another thing on the back here is a trailer hitch, which is a really nice option. You do have over 7,000 pound towing capacity on this vehicle. And we'll check out the passenger side as well, just so you can see all four sides. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, 207-510-2286. Thanks.